fine. I will hold you.
Salaar and Haider wants popsicles and we are making popsicles, right, Johnny?
Right, sir.
Okay.
Right, sir.
So I don't have anything to make popsicles. Like my strawberries are finished. They are not even in my freezer. So what we are gonna do? We are making popsicles with tang. Okay, so we will make our popsicles with this orange popsicle.
Yes. No.
Yes, so boys are
Only
excited.
strawberries. Yes.
We don't have strawberries. We will go to the market and we will buy strawberries. Okay? But right now, what are you doing? But right now we will make popsicles with strawberry. Sorry, with tang.
Hello guys, today we're making popsicles, orange one. I like it very much.
Okay. And do you know how to make them?
Yes.
Okay, I gave you this water jug. Okay. We have some sugar. Hadi, can you please get aside?
I need to take this one.
Okay, here you go. This, mix it.
It's the spoon.
What is going on? Are you guys fighting?
No.
Slow down, Hadi, slow down. I guess we need spatula. We need spatula. This is not gonna work.
Slow.
Bigger one or blue one. Blue one.
I
Yeah.
want a blue one.
Beta, 1 minute.
I can only take this one.
Okay. Here you go, Hadi. Okay, so they are 1 minute. Okay. Now we will open our tang jar.
Yeah, we have to.
Alina will open it for me. Yeah. Okay. We have the tang jar.
I will open it.
Okay, do it like this. It will be broken. Baby, it will be broken.
I did it.
Okay, let's put it
It
aside.
smells like strawberry.
No, it smells like orange.
It smells like orange. Smells like orange. Can I try? Can I try?
Get aside. Can you please get aside?
I can do it. I can. I will help you, okay?
No, don't. I don't need help.
Ouch, sorry. Then you be careful. Oh, yes, it's turning orange. It's turning orange. It's turning more orange. It's orange. Ouch! Say sorry first now.
Why?
Say sorry now.
Okay. Hadi, can you please get aside? Okay. So.
Hadi wants to stand in the store.
Okay, Hadi, stand.
Thanks.
Hadi has so many dramas.
Come here.
Alina, can you bring one glass? Okay, Alina is going to bring water. We need more water. Okay. Let's go. So it is all mixed. This is the popsicle mold. Eddie, get aside. You need to get aside, baby. Okay, we will just fill them.
I can put
1 minute, baby. 1 minute.
Okay, sorry. Okay, can I go? Okay. Wow. That's nice.
Okay, that's nice.
Now it's nice. Now it's put it. So, oh no.
Yeah, like this. And slow down.
Allison. Hey!
Yeah, put
Hey, excuse me, mommy. I'll put it.
Salaar, hold on a second. Let me help you, baby. Chalo.
No, bus. One is left.
And one is left. Alina is giving me.
Give
Give a
me
second,
Give
Alina.
me that one.
Okay, I'll help you. Okay, fine. Now we need to put this in the freezer.
forgot.
You cannot do it. Wait a second. Alina, tissue dena. 1 second, I said.
Can I grind this juice?
You wanna drink this juice? 1 second, I'll give you.
It is
So-
raw.
So we will put it in the fridge.
Bus.
Okay. Yay. Now we all will wait. For how many hours? 2 hours. We have to wait for 2 hours.
2 hours. I'm walking like this. I'm sitting on the table drinking.
No, maybe it's gonna take long.
Not taking long.
Yeah, it's gonna take long. Okay. Now show me your drawing.
I didn't did it. I will do it at my school, okay? Yeah, also me in my school. Oh, I see.
Go bring my water. Hadi? Yes, good boy. Now slowly and gradually I'm making them to work. Like do at least small stuff. Fill it. Look at him. कितना पानी लेकर आया है. Fill it. Beta, it will take, popsicle will take almost 2 hours. Fill it. Look at him. Funny boy. Now we made the popsicle and it will take almost 2 hours and they're driving me crazy. Crazy boys. Good, 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 good. That's done. In my hand. Thank you. Dun, dun, dun. Yellow.
It's mine. Give me it. I want it.
Oh, no. Here you go. Finally. Popsicles are ready. Hadi, how does it taste like?
Orange.
Like you like it?
It's the white orange.
Finally.